What's up, everybody? GAMERWITHAHEMI here. Welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, man. For those of you who don't know, for updates before we get started with today's video, I totaled the Corolla. I sold the Subaru for a little bit of money to pay off some debts. And I'm working on the truck, fixing the frame on the truck. And I also decided to buy myself a little Christmas gift. As you can see down there, that big wooden crate care package looking fucking thing, that's the new PC that's going upstairs in my studio, where we'll be streaming from it and making content from it in the future. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got one bolt out, one screw out, so let's try getting these other ones out. Oh, so this is the top. So I got my stuff from Origin in here. I don't know what's in this. Oh, this is just actually two. Oh, don't tell me that I put all this together. That was recalled. Wow, I put this thing together myself. There it is. Origin t-shirt. Hopefully this fucking thing fits me, because I did ask for a double line. Yep. They gave me a mouse pad. This thing is really nice. Now, before we begin the unwrapping and unrevealing of this piece of machine, let me tell you something. I work really hard for my stuff, and always wanted a PC that was water cooled, fully built water cooled. I was scared to do it myself, even though I could learn to do it myself. I wanted to have these people do it. So that's why I went ahead and bought this one. So, yeah, let's go ahead and unreveal it, shall we? Well, here it is. It's all packaged up really nice and neatly. I'm gonna drag this bad boy upstairs, and then we'll go ahead and hook up everything like that. once everything hooked, and then show you guys when it first boots on and shit. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, moment of truth. This is the PC. It's been running for a couple of days now. It runs flawlessly, but I figured I'd show you guys what it looks like when it's fully turned on and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. That's what it looks like fully turned on. The screen's gonna come on here in a second. See? And then do its thing. This thing is super fast, by the way. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, with two M.2 SSDs from Corsair, they should do the trick. As you can see, RBG, and then my Discord and shit. It's already popping up. Steam will pop up soon. Give it a few seconds, I hope. There you go. That's what it looks like, y'all. I need to put another thing on here, but for now I like this. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the new PC. I'm gonna be doing a lot of content and streaming and stuff. And yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next video. Take it easy.